The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis combines robust capability and advanced technology, making it a top choice for tough tasks. Experience the power of the Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel for impressive towing capacity and the automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction on challenge. Step inside to find the premium audio system for immersive sound and the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system for seamless connectivity on every journey. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD.